Critics of the day. Today we are going to design simple helical bevel gear. Here you will learn about SolidWorks lofted boss command, then scale entity, rotate entities, etc. I hope you like it. Let's start to create the simple helical bevel gear. Initially go to new, select part, then say OK. We'll choose right plane, then sketch. Take a center line, start from the origin, horizontal relationship on, then escape, select line, start drawing, vertical line, and I'll complete the sketch of the bevel gear. For the curve, then another horizontal line, vertical line, then we'll complete this. I'll give the dimension 45 mm, so 5 mm, this is 39 mm, 38 mm, and it remove the relationship, and we have to give the 32.5 mm. Fine. So 36, 32.5. It will be 32.5. Then 32 mm. Then from till this distance 80, 102, tangent to surface need. Then take this dimension, right click on this dimension, this dimension 102, it will be 112, 12, and radius for this is 1. Then we have to mention the final dimension, which is 163. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. I will exit from the sketch. Now I will select revolve base, then it's automatically took the axis for the revolution and also 360 degree. Then say okay. Then we'll create the helical bevel here. Select this flange, say normal to. We will create circle, plane, center point selection, create 2 circles and give the dimensions 170, and for the small 100, and I'll start this arc for the gear, draw the center line, then this distance 12 mm. I will make it symmetric, and this also I'll make symmetric by holding control key. I'll selected these 2 points, then center line, make symmetric. Then I will mention the radius for this, which is 65 mm. 65. Okay, I'll make this two equal. Then the distance between these 2 points is 30 mm. Then the sketches became defined. Now I will uh, make this state for the rotary um, pattern. I will select the circular sketch pattern, axis, or I will select this circle. Then number of pattern I want is 8. Then select the entities way pattern. First of all, I will delete this one. Then I will select the entities, this arc and this arc. Say OK. Then I select the trim tool. In the trim tool, I select the power trim. Then I'll remove the not required lines. Then inside, remove this. OK. Exit from the sketch now. Okay, on this plane, the one sketch is done, and I need to create two more plane. Reference geometry, select plane and select the surface. Then I will mention the distance 45. Say OK. Now I will select this plane and start sketching. Okay, now what I'll do is I no need to sketch again this teeth. What I'll do is I just go to the convert entities, then entities to be convert, I'll select this. Before what we drawn sketch, I will select that one, then say OK. Now the same sketch I got it in new plane. Now I will make this entity rotate. Now move entity, go to move entity, then rotate entity. Center of rotation, I'll select the center. Then how much I want is 15 degree. OK. 15 degree rotation is done. Now I will use the scale entities to be make it small. Scale entities, scale about the center, this one, and scale is 0.75. See, okay. Now see, this entity is rotated also, and also scale to 0.75. Now exit. Just for this I will hide this sketch and this plane. Then I need to create another plane, reference geometry, plane, then select the reference face. Now this time I will mention the dimension 95. Say OK. Now I'll select this plane and select sketch. Now here also again I use uh, the convert entities. The entities to be convert, I'll select the first sketch. See, then I say OK. Now on the second plane also I got the same sketch. Then again I'll go to this option, entities to be entities to be rotate. Then I select these entities. This time I'll select the center point only. This time I will rotate it to the 30 degree. I just wanted it in the reverse direction, so I will make -30. Okay, then say okay. Also I need to scale it for the 0.5 scale entity, scale about the center point I selected, scale about is 0.5. Okay, exit from the sketch. Now I will show this sketch and I will hide this plane. Now see, there are three uh, sketches in a three different plane. Okay, the next features we are going to use is lofted boss. So I'll select this lofted boss, then I select this point, then this point, and then finally this point. Okay, okay. I'll hide the sketch. If you want to change the appearance, polished steel, let's see. Now we will make some profile teeth here. Select this plane, normal to sketch selected. I will draw the circle 72 mm. Then select center rectangle or corner rectangles is okay. Now this point is connected with the our last drawn circle, and I'll select this point and this circle. I'll make coincident relationship. I'll give the dimension. This one is 10, and from here to here it's 41. I'll remove other circle parts, trim. Now zoom to this portion, select this curve and make it for construction. Then exit from the sketch, select this sketch, extrude base, reverse direction, take it to this line point or give a dimension uh, blind, which is 48. Now select, say OK. The one teeth is done. Now we will pattern this teeth, the circular pattern about axis is, select this edge, then how much I want is 13. Okay, just or faces to be pattern is, I'll select from the tree, I'll select this 30° equal spacing 13, then say OK. Okay, 13 teeth are done. So this is simple helical bevel gear. This is not a standard, but I just need to show how the lofted base command and how to make the um, sketch entity or entities to be scale or rotate, etc. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.